Hi, this is Don from Cowboy Biker Adventures. Today I have for you the first of a series of 8 waterfalls from Oregon. Wahkeena Falls is a 242-foot waterfall in the Columbia River Gorge. This waterfall is unlike the nearby Monona Falls in that the water does not directly plunge to the ground. Wahkeena Falls has a rather more subtle cascading flow. So come along with me as I show you these falls. I think you're going to like it. Don't know how to pronounce it, but here's the falls right here on old historic US 30 in Oregon State. There's 3 of them I plan on visiting today. This should tell you about them. Alright, let's go check them out. These 3 waterfalls that I'm visiting today are along old historic US 30, and it does take a pass to get in here or drive down this road. More about that later. Would you like me to take y'all's picture?
Yes, please.
Okay, here's the falls. What do you think? They go way up there. Look at them shooting out up there. The water. That is cool. There's several different ways to see all these falls. If you want to drive to see them, you have to get a permit, and you can get that on recreation.gov 2 weeks before your visit. I did not know that I needed a permit, and I lucked out. When I visited, they allow motorcycles in without a permit. Be sure to check the website to see if that's still true. But from May to October, you have to have a permit, or you can come before 9 a.m. and it doesn't require a permit, or you can come in after 6 p.m. and it doesn't require a permit. Also, there's a way to take a shuttle bus or e-bike tours. Again, a little research on the internet and you can find all this information. Let's go check it out. So what falls was that? If that's not these, or is this just a different viewpoint? See the Columbia River through the trees. Excuse me. You'll pass me in a minute. 2/10 of a mile straight up. But if you're gonna do it, you might as well do every attempt to do it right. It is beautiful. I'm getting my rest. I know cameras don't show you how steep something is. Now here's the real fall, so if you didn't climb up here, you wouldn't have seen it. It's quite a climb, I'll tell you. A little muddy there. How you doing?
Look at me, bud.
You too. Last look. And you see Columbia River out there. All right, you're a ranger?
Yeah.
So this is U.S. Force?
It is U.S. Force Service.
But not park.
Not park, no.
Can you legally fly drones here?
No, unfortunately not in the waterfall corridor.
Okay. The lady at the checkpoint didn't know. So
Okay.
no drone flying in around the falls. Okay. Thank you. This is the first of a series of 8 waterfalls here in Oregon, so be sure to subscribe if you would like to see the others, which will be over the next several weeks. And if you like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. So until next time, have a good one.